On today's Adventure Stop, we will be visiting the orchard to learn more about a commercial horticulture crop grown in Louisiana. Does anyone know what type of nut this may be? Is this a walnut, almond, pecan, peanut, hazelnut? For those who guessed pecan, you are correct. In Louisiana in 2018, approximately 21,500 acres of pecans were harvested by 4,200 pecan producers. Pecans come in many different varieties. Some varieties are native to certain areas of the state, which we refer to as natives, and some that have been developed to create what we call improved varieties. In Louisiana pecan production, approximately 46% are improved varieties and 54% are native varieties. In a commercial setting, trees are typically purchased from a nursery and are planted in rows in the orchard. Each tree is spaced out enough during planting to make sure they will have adequate space when they reach their mature size. Pollination in an orchard is essential to producing a lot of pecans or getting a high yield. Pecan trees are monoecious, which means they have both male and female flowers on the same trees. In order for producers to get a good yield, cross-pollination must be successful. This occurs when one tree variety pollinates another tree variety. Pecan trees are unique in that this cross-pollination occurs through wind pollination. Bees or other pollinators are not required to complete the pollination process. So it is important for producers to make sure that the varieties they plant in their orchard will cross-pollinate successfully, making sure they will produce as many pecans as possible each year. Teachers, at this time, please pause the video and complete the enclosed pollination lesson. Now that we know how pecans are grown, let's see how they are harvested. The pecan producer makes several trips with the pecan picker around the tree. The picker starts near the edge of the limbs, which is called the drip line. From there, the picker makes several circles around the tree until it reaches the tree itself, picking up the pecans on the ground. In this video, we will see how the pecans are processed at one of our commercial pecan processors in Louisiana.
First, we have to grade them and size them because you have to set your machine. So we go through the sizing process, and we'll put one size on the line at a time. When they get to the plant, they're washed, sanitized, they go in the crackers, and from the crackers they go through the shellers, and where they're sized off from the pieces and the halves, and from there to the electronic machines, and then they're also sanitized again, the pieces, to get the shell out, and then they're dried. You have to have them dried to have a shelf life to a certain percentage. And then they're going through the inspection tables for their final inspection, and then they're packed and shipped through all points.
Now that we have the pecans processed, we can now see how we can put them to use at your home. Pecans are packed with many vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, protein, and fiber. It's time for another pop quiz. Get your brains ready. You have 10 seconds to answer the question. What food group do pecans belong to? Pecans are part of the protein group. Another fun fact about pecans is that they are filled with healthy fats that make our hearts happy. Pecans make a great snack. Do you know how much a serving is? A serving size for pecans is 1 ounce, which is equivalent to about a handful of nuts or 19 pecan halves. Pecans make a great snack. They are also great for baking and used to complement many dishes. Today, you are going to learn how to make a granola with pecans in it. We will use the granola to make a delicious fruit or yogurt parfait.
Hi, my name is Katie Guidry with the LSU Ag Center, and today we're going to make a delicious granola with pecans. Did you know that pecans are a great source of fiber, healthy fats, and protein? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious snack, a maple pecan granola, and top it on our fruit and yogurt parfait. Now let's get started.
By now you know how pecans are produced, harvested, and processed across Louisiana. If you thought learning about pecan production was interesting, or if you enjoyed learning to cook some great nutritious recipes, check out this video about 4-H and all the fun things you get to do and learn as a 4-H member.